little brother Rayleigh is kinda annoying, and he is always masama to me. So yeah, we're gonna do a video of him making me mad. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. Okay, we gotta hide. I hope Rayleigh doesn't find us. Oh my god! Don't you even dare. Okay.
Alam mo ba, ma?
There's right now. He's sitting stairs right now, looking at me weirdly, bro. Like, help me. Okay. Sabi na natin. Skibidi Rayleigh po. Rayleigh. Bakit Rayleigh po? Rayleigh. Okay, slither in. Okay, wait. Look at Rayleigh right now.
I know, Rayleigh is coming for us.
Look at Rayleigh.
Alam mo na.
Okay, bye. See you later.